What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, I have installed the latest version of Instapro 8.40 version. The older one was 7.90. Now guys, in this video I will show you what are the new features in this latest version and how you should use those features. So guys, watch the video till end. If you are new on this channel, so please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. First of all guys, if you don't know what is Instapro, you can check out our older videos. Use Instapro instead of Instagram or top secret features of Instapro. The link is given in descriptions. You can check. Now guys, I will show you the latest features of this updated Instapro. First, I will open this. Now guys, you can see the interface of this Instapro. The interface is same as like in older version. But guys, the amazing feature in this updated version is if I will upload a story, like I will upload this image and I will add some music here. Music, and if I will add this. So guys, I have added the music in the picture, but guys, I can't up the volume because I will get copyright in this video. I will upload this story. Now guys, you can see the story is posting here. So guys, the story is uploaded successfully and you can also listen the music here. Now guys, the amazing feature here is you can download your own story with this music. Just click on more and you can see here the download option. Download is started here and you can see here download is completed. Now I will play this video. You can see guys, the story is downloaded here with music. So guys, this was the amazing feature of Instapro in this updated version. And also guys, the Instapro settings are also updated here. Just click on this and you can see here Instapro settings. The Instapro settings are also updated here. If you don't know what is Instapro settings, you can check out our older video. The link is given in description. Now guys, I will also tell you what are the other features of Instapro. Like you can also download the media in Instapro. I will show you. You can also download the media in Instapro. You can also download images and videos, and you can also download the videos in IGTV, and you can also download the stories, and you can also download your own stories. And also guys, you can see the profile picture of any person. Like I will show you. If I will click on this profile, now guys, long tap on this and you can see the profile picture here. So this is the amazing feature of Instapro. So guys, this was all about the updated version of Instapro. If you want to know the other settings of Instapro, you can check out our older videos. The link is given in description. I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, so please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till that, goodbye.